Are you looking for the best bow sights? Then you are welcome our RS Store channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best bow sights that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Trophy Ridge React Pro 5-Pin Bow Sight. As an experienced user, this product is the best 5-pin bow sight for me personally. The more pins, the more accurate it is with ultra-bright small fiber optic yardage indicators. The tool-less micro-click windage can enable users to make easy corrections. What I like the most about this product is the rheostat light. It helps to boost the sight as it can work and flicker. They have the variable levels of the LED with a 2 to 3, 4-volt LED. When using, you will notice the optic cables glow. A small note for you to notice when using this is when you turn the LED as the negative lead scapes might be turned, you can bend the UV LED into a suitable position to have constant contact with the case. Things will work out smoothly accordingly. Key features. React technology offers mathematical precision to adjust 5 pins into place automatically. Tool-less micro-click windage that helps the correction part easier. The third axis adjustment makes it possible for exact accuracy. Ultra-bright, 010 fiber optic yardage indicators. Minimal adjustments with 2 pins to have accuracy at any distance. Number 2. Garmin Xero A1i Bow Sight. If you're looking for the best bow sight out there, the Garmin Xero A1i Bow Sight is it. It utilizes a pin-free design, so you have an unobstructed view of your target at all times. However, you'll still have all the advantages that a pin provides with LED sights. You can adjust these LED pins to various configurations to match your personal preference or shooting conditions. Furthermore, if you pair this bow sight with a compatible Garmin GPS, you can track each shot's location and distance. However, the most impressive feature of this bow sight is that it auto-ranges to your target. All you need to do is line up what you're trying to shoot in the sights, and the bow does the rest. While this is the best bow sight that we looked at, we couldn't elevate it to our top choice due to its astronomical price tag. Also, keep in mind that you'll need to purchase either a right-handed or a left-handed sight. You can't switch the individual sight around for different shooters. It's worth every penny, but it's 20 times more expensive than our top choice. Pros. Bow auto ranges to your target. Works with Garmin GPS to track the location and distance of each shot. No physical pins to obstruct your view. Cons. 20x more expensive than other models. Number 3. Trophy Ridge React H5 5-Pin Bow Sight. This product is excellent and famous and beneficial to the overall quality. It has fantastic sight even in low light conditions, and even more accurately at a longer distance. It has the micro adjust that can feel sturdy with the 20 and 30Y pins. What I like the most about this product is that it is simple to set up. It is user-friendly, so it takes no time without professional help. Moreover, the React technology can enhance the accuracy of pin adjustments, making it easy to sight in. The steel construction can help to reduce vibration to be more effective while hunting. This product is hybrid, so it can use both solar energy and electric power. Due to this, you will take no concern about the electronic devices on the hunting bow. In daylight, they can use the sun, and at night, they can switch to the H5 with rheostat light. Key features. 5019 horizontal pin sight with React technology. Ballistics copolymer system. Rheostat light to shoot in poor light conditions. Tool-less micro-click windage. Glow-in-the-dark ring. Number 4. TruGlo Storm Compact Bow Sight. TruGlo offers 2 different bow sights in their Storm Compact line. They have both 3-pin and 5-pin options, and both have an affordable price tag. Both sights are compatible with both left-handed and right-handed bows and feature a sturdy aluminum design that ensures that this sight will last for years to come. Both setups utilize 3 different pin colors, so you don't have to worry about blending the pins when you're making longer-range shots. While there are tons of things to love about the TruGlo Storm Compact bow sight, we couldn't move it farther up our list due to the fact that the windage and elevation lock struggle to keep everything in place. As you're moving from location to location, you'll find that everything shifts a bit, leaving you to remake all your adjustments when you get to your next location. Number 5. Optimizer Bow Sight. Another single-pin model that makes it to our list is the HHA Optimizer Lite 3019. It is most probably worth noting that this model has won the Bow Hunting World's Reader's Choice accolade for 10 years in a row, which is something that no other bow sight can brag about. Made in the US, this bow sight abides by the highest quality standards, and the fact that bow hunters pick it, year after year, only goes to prove its value. Yardage tapes are provided with your purchase, and you will be able to set up targets from 20 to 80 yards, using increments of 5 yards. The fiber optics is ultra bright, and you will notice that the entire construction is made with durability in mind. Made from top-notch materials, this model will behave exemplarily out in the field. Both hunters and 3D shooters will find it a great option, due to its superior mathematical accuracy. Be aware that it might not work for just any bow. Some users say that they could not work with the provided hardware, so they had to glue the bow sight in place, which is, evidently, a less than ideal situation. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like, share and comment on the video. Please enable notification bell icon so that you don't miss the next videos. You can check the price and purchase link in the description box below.